So good morning to all of you. Now exercise 10.5. Exercise 10.5. In figure 10.36, A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with the center or such that angle BOC is equal to 30. Angle BOC, this is angle BOC 30. Angle AOB is equal to 60. If D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC, find angle ADC. You have to find out this angle. So that is easy. So you know angle AOC is what? Angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle COB. So 60 plus 30. Answer is what? 90 degree. If 60 plus 30 90 degrees, what is, you know, angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by at any point on the remaining part. So we can write angle AOC is equal to what? 2 into angle ADC, or angle ADC is equal to half into angle AOC. So half into 90. What is answer? 45 degree. It is 45 degree. Next. A chord of a circle is equal to radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. So you have to find this. So for that, so chord of a circle is equal to radius. So this is equal, these three are equal. So you take it as O, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So triangle OAB is what type of triangle? Triangle OAB is equilateral. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to what? 60 degree. If angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, what is angle ADC? Half into angle AOB. So half into 60. Answer is what? 30 degree. So angle ADC is equal ADC, not ADB. ADB is equal to what? 30 degree. Now angle ADB, and now this is the angle inscribed in the major arc. Now what is angle inscribed in the minor arc? So minor arc is what? ACB. So angle ACB. You know angle ADB plus angle ACB is equal to 180. What is the reason? It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ADB is 30 plus angle ACB is equal to what? 180. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to what? 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 is what? 150 degree. So this is 150 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 100 degree, where PQR are points on angle OPR. You have to find out angle OPR. Now you see, if it is 100 degree, take it as PQR. Angle PQR plus angle PSR is equal to what? 180 degree. What is the reason? Angles are supplementary. So angle PSR is equal to what? 180 minus 100. So what is it? 80 degree. Angle PSR is equal to 80 degree. If angle PSR is equal to 80 degree, what is angle POR? POR is this angle. This angle is double. That means 2 into angle PSR. 2 into 80. What is 2 into 80? 160 degree. But in triangle POR, for triangle OPR, OP is equal to RY, radius of the same circle. So what about these two angles? These two angles are equal. So angle OPR is equal to, because if two sides are equal, angle opposite that sides are equal, angle ORP. You take it as X. So X plus, what is angle POR? POR is 160 is equal to 180. Therefore, 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10 degree. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to what? 10 degree. Now, angle ABC is equal to 69 degree. Angle ACB is angle ABC 69 degree. Angle ACB 31 degree. You have to find out angle BDC. So, in triangle ABD, what is angle BAD? 180 minus 69 plus 31. So 80 degree. 69 plus 31 is 100. So 180 minus 180. So if angle BAD is angle BAC is 80 degree. What is angle BAD? We have to find out BDC. Sorry, BDC. So what angle BDC is equal to what you can say? Angle BAC, because angles in the same segment. So angle BDC is equal to what? 80 degree. Angle BDC is equal to 80 degree. Next step. ABCD are 4 points on a circle. Angle BEC 130 degree, ECD 20 degree. You have to find out angle BAC. BAC means you have to find out this angle. So angle ACD is what? This angle ABD. ABD also 20 degree because angles in the same segment. So this is 20 means this angle also what? 20 degree. This is also 20. Similarly, angle AEB. Angle AEB plus angle BEC. Linear pair. So angle AEB is equal to 180 minus 130. So answer is what? 50 degree. Angle AEB is what? 50 degree. You have to find out angle BAC. Angle BAC means equal to angle BAE. Both are equal. So 180 minus 20 plus 50. So 180 minus 70. 180 minus 70 is what? 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. Okay. That's it.